Get your toy. Get your toy. Here, Bailey, do you want to put your ball in the pool? There. You guys want to go swimming? Oh, look at these happy puppies swimming. Get it, Jasmine. Get it, Jazzy. Oh, good girls. Good girls. Bailey, did you want to go swimming? Get your ball? Huh? Did you want to go swimming? We'll go swimming, Bailey. Come on, you're going in the pool. You can get in the pool too. You're not going to go swimming? Jasmine, you like your pool? Oh, what a good girl. Gabby. Gabby. Gabby, come. Come on, Gabby. What are you doing over there, Gabby? You're going to go get in the... Oh, you're going to go roll in the mud. You're going to go roll in the dirt after you got nice and clean. Oh, my. What a good girl. What a good girl. Is there enough water in that pool? Yeah. What? Is that your ball, Bailey? You want Mama to get your ball? Alright, we got your ball. There you go. Go get it. What are you girls doing? What are you doing? You're getting all muddy. Hey, look at you. What are you doing, honey? Jasmine, Gabby, what are you doing? Bailey, you want to play ball? Get Bailey's ball. There Bailey goes.